how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then scroll down quick settings panel, and from here check if you have enabled power saving mode, then turn it back off, because when power saving is on it will interrupt the Wi-Fi signals. So turn power saving off, and after that the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again click on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the Wi-Fi issue will be 100% fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue while using Wi-Fi, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and click on system and updates, and this time tap on software update. Now here in software update, check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software, the Wi-Fi turning off issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.